This house needed more space, but the architects decided not to build a bigger house. Instead of attaching a new wing to the existing home, they scattered the new rooms among the trees. 4 separate structures were spread across the property and connected by outdoor wooden walkways. The MJA House grew without becoming one large building. To move from one space to another, we have to step outside and cross the garden. Located in Comporta, Portugal, the project began as an extension to an existing vacation home. The original house was kept, while the new spaces formed a small group of buildings around it. The new entrance was designed to almost disappear. A small structure wrapped in reflective glass marks the transition between the old house and the addition, mirroring the trees and garden around it. Depending on the light, it can be hard to spot among the vegetation. Instead of creating an obvious front facade, the entrance simply leads us toward the paths through the property. Three of the new structures hold the bedroom suites. The fourth, which is slightly larger, contains the living and dining areas. The pool sits at the center of the new layout. The living area is open and surrounded by large glass walls. Deep roof overhangs protect the interior from the strongest sunlight and create shaded spaces around it. But the position of the buildings did not begin with the floor plan. It began with the trees. The property was already filled with pine and cork oak trees that were meant to stay. Instead of clearing the land, the architects looked for open spaces between the trunks. The trees came first. The architecture used only the space that was still available between them. In the living area, wooden beams begin inside, pass beyond the glass, and continue outdoors. The roof extends over the deck, protecting the outdoor spaces and making the room feel as though it continues past the facade. The location of each structure was shaped by the vegetation, the path of the sun, and its relationship to the original house. That is why they do not follow a strict alignment. They were placed wherever the land allowed. The extension also kept the spaces between the buildings open. Instead of filling the property with one large wing, it allowed the garden to keep flowing through the entire home. The other 3 structures contain the bedroom suites. Each one includes a bedroom, a bathroom, and a small private patio. To reach them, we leave the living area, walk across the deck, and pass between the trees. In this house, the space between the bedrooms is not a hallway, it is the garden. The wood flooring used on the decks also appears inside the bathrooms, creating a visual connection between the outdoor paths and the suites. Large openings keep the bedrooms facing the vegetation, while the patios create more private outdoor spaces. On one side, we see the pine trees. On the other, we find a small area sheltered from the shared walkways. The spaces are not connected by enclosed hallways. A wooden walkway begins near the original house and branches off toward the living area, the suites, and the pool. As we walk through the property, we never see everything at once. First, a roof appears between the trunks. Then we catch a piece of glass, a concrete platform, or a reflection. The house slowly reveals itself. The entire addition was built on one level, resting on rectangular concrete platforms. These bases support the enclosed rooms and continue outside to form the decks. The architecture uses only a few main materials: concrete, wood, and glass, all beneath large horizontal roofs. Repeating these elements ties the four structures together, even though they remain separate. The pool was not placed at the back as a separate feature. It sits between the original house, the new living area, and the bedrooms. So the center of this home is not an enclosed room. It is an outdoor space made up of water, wooden decks, and the garden. Breaking the addition into smaller pieces made it possible to spread roughly 2,690 square feet across the property without creating one solid building. The house gained new spaces, but the trees and garden remained visible between them. This layout also changes the way people live here. The outdoors is not something we only look at through the windows. It becomes part of the most ordinary movements through the house. To get from a bedroom to the living room, we cross the deck. To return to a suite, we walk between the pine trees again. Moving through the house also means moving through the property. The original home remains easy to recognize and does not try to imitate the addition. The new spaces do not pretend to be an older continuation of what was already there either. The two parts remain different. What connects them are the walkways, the pool, the views, and the trees preserved between them. The MJA house needed more space, but instead of filling the property with a new wing, the architects scattered the new rooms throughout the garden. The house grew by pulling its spaces apart, and the space left between them is what holds everything together.